Okay, good morning, man. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory. Here we come again with another podcast today. So, everything we're going to talk about today is strategy. And if I have to go to my own MT4 platform on my phone, it doesn't necessarily need to be on your phone, but you can be on your computer, MT4, MT5. That's what we're using for this strategy. Yeah, the name of this strategy is how you are going to be buying and selling at the same time. You know, if you remember, sometimes in 2 years ago, I did a video that talks about buying and selling the same time. And that video seems like, a lot of people, they really, really watch it. They love it. Even up till this time, 2023, I'm talking to you, they still watch it every day. So I appreciate you guys for that, and that's why I'm bringing again a continuation of that video, at least for beginners. So if we have to go by a strategy that really needs no analysis, and it needs no stress in your head. Just wake up in the morning or anytime you want to trade, you open your own chart and look at what is going on, and you can be on a 5 minute time frame for any scalper. You know what I mean? So the secret of this is, if you are a scalper, you are on the 5 minutes time frame, you have to understand that any breakout on the 1 hour time frame to the up or to the down, even any false breakout on the 1 hour time frame to the up, to the down, is what you want to target. And such breakout on a candlestick on the 1 hour time frame can go like 20 pips. Yep. So if you're trading on the 5 minutes time frame, your target should be like 20 pips. You can use the same strategy on the 1 hour time frame, and you understand any candlesticks going to break out on the daily time frame is 100 pips, whether breakout to the up or down or any false breakout. If you watch on the daily time frame and you want to do this strategy on the 1 hour time frame, then your target level should be like 50 pips to 100 pips. Okay. And you have to understand that this type of strategy, it always win. The risk reward ratio is always good. This is a strategy that you just need to put it on your computer and you walk away. You don't need to sit down there making any analysis or thinking, is it gonna win or lose? You don't have business with that. At least one is gonna win and one is gonna knock one out. So how do we play this? On the 5 minutes time frame, you have seen this thing, it's gone up. Okay, whatever has gone up, definitely. The only thing you're thinking is it should definitely come down. Sorry, there's no need to be any analysis on this. So let's go straight to what we want to do. If this 5 minute time frame has gone up from here to here, and I woke up now, I saw this. Now, based on this strategy, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a kind of pending order buy. I'm going to buy right here. Yes. That's why I'm going to paint it green. I'm going to buy right here. I do a pending order. I buy right here. Okay. And from this point now, from this point where I buy this, my take profit to the upper side is going to be 20 pips. If you know how to calculate 20 pips, you can calculate it. So if any break out of this line now, we are in profit and we are going to just target 20 pips. Some people do target 10 pips because this is a 5 minute time frame. Now, as you can see, the price is almost about breaking that line we just draw now. So assuming you just woke up and you just put a pending buy on that zone, you know that right now you should be in profit. This is a 5 minute time frame, and in this case, Now, your stop loss is going to be a very tiny, very tiny one to this zone. It's all about neckline. You put something on the neckline. It's neckline. We'll put in the entries and stop loss on the neckline. Okay. Now you see that this is your stop loss for that one. You for the buy you place. For the buy you place on the green top over there. The stop loss is just a very tiny one right here. You see, and you're gonna go target 20 pips above it, above the green line. You target 20 pips, okay, and then you see the risk reward ratio is very high. Okay, you can repeat this as many times as possible in the day. You can scalp. Okay, you can use it to scalp as much as possible. Now let us say now we do the same thing right here to pen a sell order on a kind of, let me show you. You see, we're gonna put a sell order right here. I will put it on the red where the stop loss of the previous one is. Okay, we're gonna do this one right this way. Okay, you can see it. That is where we're gonna put it. We've put another order right here, exactly on the stop loss of this buy. Now what we're gonna do, we said your take profit is gonna be 20 pips. We calculate 20 pips to the downside. Okay, so 20 pips to the downside from right here. I'm just gonna exaggerate that something here is gonna be 20 pips. I just exaggerate. I'm not accurate, but let's say this is example. Let's say this is, for example, this is 20 pips. Okay, so we're gonna make it a take profit. In this case is gonna be a color like aqua, and this is assuming to be our 20 pips. Okay, now what is gonna be our stop loss in this type of strategy? Okay, see, our stop loss is now gonna be on this green that we opened here as a buy. That is where our stop loss is gonna be. You are placing your entry on stop loss. So stop loss for our sell, remember the color is going to be red for stop loss. Properties of stop loss is going to be red. Now you're going to place your stop loss on the green you made before. This is it, your stop loss right here. Okay, your stop loss right on the green. So you can see these two, you can see all of them. Okay, so that's your stop loss. This is your take profit 20 pips for this sell, and your stop loss for the sell is just on the top where you place a buy. For the buy, your stop loss is just here where you put a sell. Okay, your stop loss in red, but your take profit for this buy is 20 pips right above this level. Okay, as you can see the price, okay, it did not go and pick a sell order, right? But it broke out of the buy and it started going, and this might give you 20 pips. For those who target 10 pips, yes, you can do that, and that will give you fast profits on a daily basis, and you can scalp with this strategy as much as you like on a daily basis. You see, as a beginner who is trying to learn anything about Forex, I believe this is one strategy you should try to use. Okay, so I want to say something again, that under this video, if you are the type that want to learn more about me trading Forex and about me, what kind of tools I use in my own Forex, or how do I stack Okay, I didn't say stock. I mean stack a lot of business together, from Forex to e-commerce to digital ebook selling to, you know, and so on. A lot of them, about five kind of business I have, stack all of them in a kind of funnel, okay, which I don't even need to recruit anybody. If you want to learn it, it's just free, okay, it's free. Only the link I'm going to put under this video, you just need to put your own email address, okay, so that you can go to your inbox and you will see the first post is going to come to your inbox, and from there you start to read it, learn it, take action which you are supposed to take. You know, the reason why I said you should put your email is that because, I always like to know my own fans. I like to know my fans. Okay, sometimes my fans will always want to contact me, so I'm always familiar with their email. Once I see their email address, okay, I know this my fan is in my own list. This person is learning one or two things from me, so I do respond to those kind of people, or with passion, okay, with passion. Now, the next thing I'm gonna say is, don't forget, the way you have used this on a 5-minute time frame is still the same way you're gonna use it on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so best of luck in your own forex trading. If you love this type of video, you have to subscribe by hitting the red notification bell, and then you click hit the red subscriber button, and then hit on the notification bell, push all, so that you will be the first to know when I make this type of video. And the next reason why you need to click on the link in the description below to enter your email is because this type of video I make now is automatically gonna be sent to all my fans inside my email list. All of them will receive this automatically. Immediately I publish it, they will receive it. So you want to be part of these people. You don't want to miss anything. If you don't get it on YouTube notification, you're gonna get it inside your email box automatic. Okay, so and I recommend all of you in my own groups, WhatsApp group, Telegram group, anywhere you follow me, to do the same. Enter your email in the description button of this video and be part of the success. So thank you so much, man. Here's your boy signing out. Have a nice forex trading experience. No need to rush. I forgot to say one thing. Okay, if you're using this type of strategy, I have to say, some people will think like, okay, what type of lot size am I gonna use? I'm gonna say, look at your own account balance and use just 1%. Okay, because this is scalping, and you know that you can scalp many times as possible in a day. Some of you might use it for scalping, the London session, the US session, Sydney, Australia, and the whatever it is, I don't know, Japan or Asian section. So because you have a lot of opportunities to trade in a day, this is why you have to use 1% of whatever your account is. At least the secret of forex is to grow your account. Okay, it is not to gamble, and it is not to try to impress somebody that you can become a millionaire in just one day or 1 week. It is about you growing your business, and at the end of the year you are proud that you have made something. Okay, so thank you so much. Your boy signing off.